Hi, I'm Lucas with Modern Music School Pasadena, and today we're going to learn to play Riptide by Vance. So the chords for this song are B flat minor, A flat, D flat, and G flat. For the verses and the choruses, it goes one measure of B flat minor, one measure of A flat, two measures of D flat. The bridge, it's one measure of B flat minor, one measure of A flat, one measure of D flat, one measure of G flat. And that's going to sound like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below or ask your instructor.